Good afternoon, kids. Today we will see how to start WordPad and how to use caps lock key. First of all, I want to tell you that when you will start your computer, then you will get the first screen. That first screen is called as a desktop, and these small symbols are called as a icon. Now let us see how to start our WordPad. First upon, you have to click on start button. If you are not getting here WordPad, then you have to type here WordPad, WORDPAD. See here you will get the WordPad option. Click on that WordPad option, you will get such type of a screen. Okay. Now one thing, that whenever you are opening any application, that first bar is called as a title bar. On title bar, we can see application name and file name. Along with that, we can see 3 sizing buttons. These sizing buttons afterwards I will tell you. But only keep it remember that whenever you are opening any application, the first bar is called as a title bar. Then second bar is called as menu bar. And third line, this line is called as a ribbon, on which we are getting all formatting related options. Okay, and this white page is called as a working area. White page is called as working area, and one blinking line is there. That blinking line is called as a cursor, and with the help of that cursor we are going to type. Now kids, you know our keyboard very well. This is my keyboard. Okay, on keyboard we are having all alphabets, that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, all A to Z alphabets we are having on the keyboard. Along with this, we are also having numbers 0 to 9. Okay, all these numbers are here, and this is called as a space bar. This long key is called as space bar. Space bar is used to give space between two words or two letters. Let me tell you again. Space bar is used to give space between two letters or two words. Okay, and this is called as a backspace key. Backspace key works as a eraser. If you commit any mistake while typing and you want to erase it, then you can use this eraser. Eraser means our backspace. Okay, that today what we have seen, backspace key and space bar. One more key I will show you, that is very important, that is caps lock. Caps lock means when we keep our caps lock on, then we will get here one light. This light is of caps lock. When this light is on, then whatever I am typing on the screen, that all will come in capital letters. Okay, when my caps lock is on, then whatever I am typing on the screen, that all will come in capital letters. Now see, I have started my caps lock. I have, see here, caps lock light is there. Caps lock light is on. Now whatever I am typing on the screen, that all will come in capital letter. Okay, when your caps lock is off, now see, again you have to press the same button, then your light will be off. When your caps lock is off, then whatever we are typing on the screen, that all will come in small letters. Okay, all will come in small letters. Now what is today's work? Today what will you do, that if you have computer or laptop at home, then open WordPad application and use caps lock button. With the help of caps lock, type A to Z in capital letter, and then again off the caps lock button and type all A to Z in small letters. Okay, This much only you have to do today. Okay. Afterwards we will see the further options. Bye.